The way of love is never to bulldoze. You know the word bulldoze? Like a bulldozer when just comes along and then flattens everything. You flatten people? No, that is not the way of love. The way of love is not a bulldozer. This is love. No, never so hard, right? Never bulldoze. You say, let me understand. Tell me. Share with me. What is it? It's something so disarming about that. And then, then the next level requires training. That means for you to have knowledge. Then when you hear what the other beloved is saying, then you have, those training with the teacher, you have a big divine toolbox. Yeah? You open it, it's called the medicine bundle. All types of different ways of wisdom, right? Including physical things. Do you find? So the teacher understands Chinese medicine a bit, can show where the heart meridian is, right? We need, a medicine person has a lot of knowledge in many things. So when you hear that person's predicament, they explain, and then you give them away, then wow, it changes the relationship. What does that mean? You then, instead of seeing you, most people see people either you're my friend or my opponent, or I don't care about you if you never existed. Would you say? Yes. 3 types. You're my friend, or I love you, or you are against me. And then there are those, well, I don't care if they exist or not. If they die tomorrow, makes no difference. Humans put that category. But actually, there is only one category, and that's ally, right? And everybody. So when you become their ally, because you assist them, then you find that you can then influence them to make different choices. So it's not changing their mind, but make different choices. Because everybody really, nobody would say, I want a life of suffering, right? When you ask people to put their hands up, they want a life of ease and joy and benevolence and blessings. This is true? Yes. And we can.